Hello everyone, my name is Pritesh Satara and I would like to present to you the Recipe Manager project. The main objectives of this project is to create a system where users can easily store, manage and retrieve their favorite recipes. Our focus is on delivering a clean and efficient way for users to input recipes with features like adding recipe details, handling errors and marking favorites. In this video, I will be explaining the key features and concepts behind the development of this project. Our project is built with key object-oriented programming principles in mind. Let's start by looking at the ingredients class. This is our ingredients class. This class is designed to encapsulate the properties of an ingredient, including its name and quantity. This is the getName method, and this is the getQuantity method. We have overridden the equals and hash code to ensure that comparison between ingredients are consistent and that duplicates can be handled efficiently. For example, if two ingredients have the same name and quantity, they are considered equal. Next, we should move to the recipe class, which forms the core of the project. This class holds an important details of recipes such as description, description, cuisine, meal type, and whether it's vegetarian or vegan. We also maintain a list of ingredients and have a flag to mark recipes as favorites. One of the most important aspects here is to use the error handling. The invalid prep time exception ensures that preparation times values are valid, protecting the system from receiving negative or incorrect data. Let's look at the functionality of the project. This is a recipe main class. This serves as the entry point where the users can input details for new recipes such as its name, description, cuisine type, and meal type using the scanner for input collection. We then validate the input, ensuring that no negative preparation times are allowed by leveraging the invalid prep time exception. Once the data is validated, the recipe is added to Recipe Manager, which handles the storage and retrieval for all recipes. This manager is linked to the text file for persistent data storage. This is the text file. This allows us to save and manage recipes beyond the runtime of the program. As you can see, we have made different files for each part of the project. Let's give an overview of our code. This is the exception class. We have inbuilt an invalid prep time exception class, which helps the user to get to know about the error if he puts a wrong input for the preparation time. This is our ingredients class. We have here two methods, string getName and string getQuantity. This is useful for the user so that he can input the amount and the name of the ingredients required for the recipes. This is the recipe class. In this, we have described many various methods, name, description, cuisine, meal type, is vegetarian, is vegan, and such as many more. This sets as the base for the program. This is the recipe main class. This sets as an entry point for the user to enter the program. We have described the scanner class, and there are various statements in which the user is asked for an input to let the program enter a recipe in the recipe text file. This is the recipe text file. As seen till now, our project has different types of OOP concepts, which are encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Moving forward, the next step we plan to redefine the user interface, making the system even more user-friendly with an interactive graphical interface. Additionally, we will implement more advanced functionalities such as sorting and filtering recipes and improving how users mark their favorites. Now, my partner will continue to explain the remaining parts of the project.
Thank you, Ritesh. I will explain the manager and manager GUI from here. Now, they both provide a very structured approach in managing and interacting with the recipes. Now, the recipe manager Java, the class, is mainly responsible for handling all the recipe related functionalities like loading, adding, and saving the recipes to a recipes.txt file that already has all the recipes stored as objects. Now, they also have details like description, prep time, name, vegetarian or vegan, etc. etc. The recipe manager or Java also has search functionalities and to choose a recipe as its favorite, like we can say here. We can add a new recipe. For example, I want to add now we can do it 10 minutes and it is a vegan dish. So a recipe has been added successfully and we can see it here. Okay, false true, 10 false. The recipe has been added. And as far as the GUI is concerned, now it uses Spring App Java to make a very interactive interface. It provides a way to mark recipes as their favorites, as you can see. we can choose a favorite here, confirm favorite, add it to favorites. We can click it again to remove it from favorites. Also, the search functionality, for example, if I want to have something aloo related, I will type in aloo here, and I have all the aloo related recipes here, paratha, gobi, whatever you want to have.
One of the main challenges we encountered was handling invalid input for preparation time. By creating a custom exception class of invalid prep time exception, we were able to handle this issue clearly, ensuring that the users are informed if they're trying to enter invalid preparation time. Another challenge was ensuring the integrity of recipe data and preventing duplicates. This was managed by overriding the equals and hash code methods in both the ingredient and recipe classes, ensuring that recipes and ingredients can be compared and stored efficiently without duplicates.
Challenge, one of the biggest was in recipe manager, where we had to handle the file input and output, loading the recipes while ensuring that the data was consistent. And in recipe manager GUI, the most challenging thing was to design a responsive and intuitive interface that the user could select their recipes. For example, they could see a description before adding to favorites so that they know what they are adding. And managing inputs like preparation time, which have to be in minutes. For example, if I put in here again and try to add it, it will show me an error that the prep time must be a number. And overall, the program successfully integrates recipe management with an intuitive and a very good GUI.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you now have a better understanding of the technical aspects of this project.